So when we're playing the drums, it can be really easy to forget to breathe, as silly as that sounds. And we want to make sure that we are taking in nice deep breaths so that our entire body can stay relaxed while we're playing. We're not holding tension in our jaw, our neck, our shoulders, all of those things. And breathing is just a big part of that. So we're going to do a technique called box breathing, which is where you breathe in for 4 counts and then hold for 4 counts. Breathe out for 4 counts and then hold there for 4 counts. As you're doing this, we want to be breathing through our diaphragm muscle, which is down in our stomach. So let's try it once without playing. We're going to go in, hold, out, and hold. One more time. In through the the nose, and hold, out through the mouth, and hold. Let's do it one more time. Through the nose, hold, out, and hold. Now we're going to try that while we're playing. And you're already, when you're playing drums, doing 3 things at once. So even though we think breathing should be automatic, as soon as you start thinking about it, it's going to feel like adding a 4th limb. So don't be surprised if something that feels kind of easy normally takes a little bit of extra mental effort. Shake it off and jump back in when you're ready. All right. 1, 3, 1,